In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by opening an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon of it at the top right corner, the square one, and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to turn your app into a bubble, click on this icon of a line at the top left corner. If you want to use it in full screen view, click on square one right next to it. To use all of possibilities of pop-up view, click on this line and operate all of those. And last but not least, to close it, select this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!